Do you want to know what makes a woman feel special and loved? There are tips, there are ways, there are things that you need to do as a man to make your woman feel loved and feel special. Hi, my name is Christian Levi. Today I want to share with you seven things that you as a man must do to make your woman feel special and loved. You see, if you want to make somebody feel special, there are things you must do. If you want to make somebody feel loved, there are things you must do. If you want to make your wife feel comfortable and feel loved, there are things you must do. And if you want to make your girlfriend feel special and loved, there are things you must do as a man. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into it. Number one is book a romantic moment or a romantic date. You see, it is very important that from time to time you book a time. It could be just a few hours in a town to chill, go somewhere, have a drink, eat, or you can even book like a weekend out with your woman. Apart from staying at home, you can book somewhere where two of you will go. Some people will say, oh, what a waste of money. No, it's not a waste of money. Changing environment is important. It is important. It helps relationship. You know, you're not seeing the same old thing you see every day, but you have changed scenery and see, other places. It helps your relationship to go smoother and move lovely. And this is one of the ways or one of the things you can do to make your woman feel loved and special. Number two is to make your woman feel secured. Women are created in such that they feel secure when they are close to their man. This is the truth. When a woman has a good man who loves her, who cherishes her, who appreciates her, that woman feels secured. Now, that doesn't mean that you hold your life in your hand. That's not what it means. What it means is that when they see you, there is something that builds up in them because you love them. They will feel loved and appreciated because you have given them that amount of security they need. Women need security. They need it. I know some people will say to you, oh, I'm independent woman. I can do anything. I don't need a man protection or security. Hey, that's not true. That is not true. They need security around you. They need that. But then some people say that because if they don't find a man that will give them that, they say, oh, I'm independent. I can do all that by myself. I don't need a man in my life. But if you love that woman, it gives them some amount of security. I'm telling you the truth. Try it. Love your woman, love your girl, love your wife. It will make them feel secured. True. Number three is listen to your wife. Listen to your woman. Listen to your girlfriend. Now, I'm not saying that you should listen to everything and do whatever they say. No. When a woman is suggesting something or you want to take a decision in your relationship, listen to her ideas. One thing I will tell you is women are clever. They are created to complement men. So when you are making decisions in life, don't make decisions outside your relationship. Don't make decisions outside your woman or your wife. Don't. Include her in that decision making. And when you do include her, ask her for her opinion. Listen to what she's going to say. It may be that what she say or she's going to say may not be the final decision you will make. But showing her that you listen to her makes her feel that she's part of your life. And they feel comfortable, they feel secured, and they feel loved when you listen to them. I'm not saying pretend, but I mean listen to your woman. And I'm serious, I mean it. That's true. Number four is to make your woman feel special. Do you know you can make your woman feel special? Like she will feel like she is a queen, she is everything. You can make your woman feel so special. Treat her like the queen of your life. Treat her like this special woman. Treat her like no one else, like there's no other woman like her in this world. Women love to be treated with that kind of respect. Women love it when we treat them with respect. It makes them feel special. It makes them feel like they are important, which it is. If you treat anybody, it doesn't matter whether a woman or not a woman, if you treat anybody in a good way, that person is going to feel special. So because of this video is about women and how to make them feel loved and special, I want to tell you that it's important that you treat your wife or your girlfriend or your woman with respect and make her feel special. Yeah. I want to ask you a favor. If you haven't, at this time, subscribe to this channel. What are you waiting for? You don't want to support me? I'm asking you to support me. I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to like and to share my videos so that people will hear more about it. I have a message for you. Yeah, I have a message that if you subscribe to this channel, you will get my videos every time that I post them. Thank you for supporting me. Let's continue. Number 5 is your woman needs a lending hand. Give her a lending hand. What do I mean? Women need support. They need your help. Maybe in the house, for example, you are in the house. Don't sit down and say, oh, my woman is going to cook for me and bring the food and clean everywhere and tidy everything and hoover the house and dust the house. And no, give her support. Give her a lending hand. She needs it. She needs a lending hand, a support from you. Maybe your wife is cooking. Maybe your girlfriend is cooking. Maybe you went to visit her. Maybe she come to visit you. Or maybe she's cooking for you. Or maybe she's doing something. There must be something you would do to support whatever you are doing at that moment. Give your woman a lending hand. Give her a supportive hand. Help her in whatever she's doing. Maybe in the house chore, whatever it is that she's doing. Give her some support. Women love it when we support them. It doesn't have to be a big thing, just a little support. That doesn't mean that they cannot do anything. No, they can do all that. But it would be nice to give them support and, give them that support. Everybody needs support, but they love it. It makes them feel special. It makes them feel loved. If you haven't tried it, try it and keep doing it. Number 6 is send her unsolicited message. Do you know sometimes you don't need to plan the message? You don't want to say, I'm going to send you a text message. No, send her a message just when she don't expect it. Test her. Say nice things to her. Unexpected, she will receive a message from you. She'll be like, wow, this man cares about me. Maybe you are at work. Maybe you are at home. Maybe she's somewhere. Unexpectedly, she will receive a wonderful message from you. She'll be happy. She will say, wow. She'll be happy. They love message that is not, they love random things like that. They love unexpected messages like that. It makes them feel special. It makes them feel good. It makes them feel loved. It makes them feel like they are part of you. It makes them feel belonging. They love it. Number 7 is tell her how much you appreciate her. You can show a woman you appreciate her. You can act it. You can practicalize it. But it's important that you show her, you tell her how much you appreciate her. It is important to show her because by showing her by your action, she will know that my man, my husband, my boyfriend appreciate me. But when you also tell her, she will know that my man, my husband, my boyfriend appreciate me. However you want to tell your woman that you appreciate her, go ahead and do it. Don't limit it to only saying. Don't limit it to only doing. Say it and do it. Let her know. However you're going to do it, make her know that you appreciate her. You see, everybody loves to be appreciated. Everybody loves to feel special. Everybody loves to be loved. Tell your woman you appreciate her. She's waiting for that now. I'm telling you the truth. She loves it. She will love it. She will feel special. She will feel loved. She will feel comfortable. She will feel appreciated. Tell her how much you appreciate her. This is all I have for you today. I want to ask you once again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscription button, like, and share this video to your friends wherever they are. I'm sure your friends love to hear this kind of message. We're here to make life better. We're here to change stories. We're here to bring smile on people. Myself and my team will be looking forward to your message. What do you think? I want to ask you to leave your comment at the comment section. Let the conversation start. Have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.